Hello guys, how are you doing? The market is still in the dip, but it's recovering a bit, so maybe it's time to check out some altcoins. And today I will tell you about my AI altcoin picks and why I would like to talk about AI altcoins because it's one of the biggest narratives of this bull market. And according to CoinGecko, the market cap of AI related coins is currently at $26.6 billion, and this surge is driven by the diverse use cases of AI in the crypto market, from decentralized AI marketplaces to AI-powered portfolio management and beyond. So just this week, there was NVIDIA conference from 17th till 21st March. And as we know, NVIDIA is probably one of the hottest companies now. And the current market cap of the company is at $2.6 trillion. And it's topping the value of such tech giants as Amazon and Google. And the rally has been so hot that even Goldman Sachs called it the most important stock on planet Earth. And NVIDIA is currently worth more than the whole Chinese stock market. So I will tell you about some of my altcoin picks, some of those already big coins which are in the top, and some are like super early picks. So watching full this video, not to miss any of my points and not to miss the investment opportunities. However, this is not a financial advice. So let's go.
Yeah, so here you can see on CoinGecko the top AI coins by the market cap, and I will tell you about my altcoin picks which have the biggest potential. And the same, you can see that NVIDIA is the third largest stock in the world. And let's discuss my picks. The first pick is NEAR Protocol. It's quite old coin with quite big market cap of already $6 billion. But I see quite a potential in it. It's backed by the likes of A16 and many other Taiwan investors. They raised totally around $350 million. And currently they are traded at $6, and their top before their all-time high was around $17. Yeah, even $18. And why am I bullish on it? Actually, NEAR Protocol first started as an AI company, and later they transitioned to be a layer 1 protocol blockchain. And Ilya is as well quite big in AI. Just recently at the NVIDIA conference, he was with Jensen Huang on the same stage, discussing with the CEO of NVIDIA AI, and as well he participated in the research. Attention is all you need, and there were a number of authors of this paper, and they discussed this at NVIDIA conference. So NEAR Protocol this way got quite a big visibility, and NEAR as well has its NEAR Tasks. They launched a global gigs marketplace just last year in November, poised to reshape AI training while leveraging the power of NEAR blockchain. Officially launched at NearCon last year, with its first product beta launching in November. NEAR Tasks is a self-service platform where anyone can easily list and complete AI requests, setting a new standard for quality data labeling. And as well, currently NEAR is positioned as the chain abstraction stack, empowering builders to create apps that scale to billions of users and across all blockchains. As we know, NEAR didn't really was hyped, like for example, Solana, Polygon, or Avalanche, or other chains, and they didn't really get that many developers as there are a lot of other applications being built on other chains. But I think because of this AI narrative and some other transitions, they have pretty good chance during this bull market. And as well, talking about chain abstraction, so the idea behind chain abstraction is quite simple. Blockchain technology should be abstracted away from the user experience. In other words, people should not realize when they're using a blockchain, know which blockchain they are using. So basically, yeah, we see another big narrative as account abstraction, and Vitalik as well talks about it a lot. So currently, NEA protocol provides services that allow to create and recover accounts using email addresses, use the account without acquiring funds, and control accounts in other chains, all in the most simplest way possible. Additionally, NEA became a data availability layer, and this new NEA data availability layer aims to provide an alternate venue that could handle data produced by Ethereum's fast-growing network or accelerate blockchains or layer 2 networks. And they partnered last year as well in November with modular blockchain with Celestia, and data availability layer is said posting data on the network could be 8,000 times cheaper than posting on Ethereum. Additionally, NEA partnered with another big company, Eigen Labs, to offer fast finality layer for Ethereum rollups, and transactions will occur within 3 to 4 seconds while using low latency cross rollup communication. Yeah, so I think it's quite safe to invest into NEA because it's already traded on all the biggest exchanges. Like you can see here, Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, Kraken. So you can find it anywhere, and it's quite a safe bet. Maybe it wouldn't bring you super big returns, but it's safe, and it's quite safe to invest into it big sums, but this is not a financial advice. And let's talk about my second altcoin pick, on which you can make tens returns, maybe hundreds returns, and this is BasedAI. So this is super huge opportunity to earn big returns. It's my prediction. I may be wrong, may be right, but from what I see is pretty positive and pretty solid for this coin to grow a lot. The first thing, it's not even on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and even their Twitter account was just launched like in March. Yeah, so they created their Twitter account just in March. And it's currently traded on Uniswap at $8. It's a bit down, so it's a great opportunity to get some. Yeah, so you can see here that they have quite a good liquidity, 6 million, fully diluted value, and market cap is already quite big for such early token. It's already at 300 million, but it hasn't been listed on any centralized exchanges, and not many people know about it. So it's a great opportunity to get in early into this token. And you can see as well, their Twitter account is pretty small, and always judge projects by people who follow them. So only 18 people who I follow this project. So it's a great opportunity. And you can see as well in text tools, you can check the score of their contract, their audits. The audit is pretty good. It's written 99. Yeah, so there are no red flags for this token. So basically, the question is, what does this project do? So BasedAI is a large language model operational network with a focus on privacy and efficiency. And actually, it may be the next Bittensor in the AI space. And Bittensor as well, it's number 34 token on CoinMarketCap. It's like super big and the first in the rate on CoinMarketCap among all AI coins, and it's made super great returns for its investors. And this project may have the same potential. So BasedAI is a distributed network of machines which introduces decentralized infrastructure capable of integrating fully homomorphic encryption with any large language model connected to its network. And who doesn't know what is FHE or fully homomorphic encryption is? You can check out our video with Guy Ziskind, our previous interview with the Secret Network co-founder. He talked a lot about it, but to put in the simple words, FHE enables you to compute on encrypted data. And the proposed framework embeds a default mechanism called cerebral squeezing into the mining process, which enables the transformation of a standard LLMs into encrypted zero-knowledge LLMs or ZK LLMs, leveraging insights from generative adversarial networks for data privacy. This novel quantization mechanism empowers BasedAI miners to process and respond to prompts derived from user interaction with LLMs without the need for decrypting either the queries or their corresponding responses. And already, so basically this is another big narrative like ZK and FHE, and that is why I'm pretty bullish on this token. And BasedAI already has seen a meteoric rise in the end of February, surging more than 40 times in value. And additionally, what gives legitimacy to this project, it's that they were mentioned on gate.io in the article. So maybe they will be listed by gate.io soon. They published this article in the launch section, so it may be a good sign. And another thing, it was mentioned in the research paper published on Cornell University website. So Sean Wellington is the author of the publicly available white paper for BasedAI, and as well Google Scholar indicates that Sean graduated from UC Berkeley and has been publishing multiple papers related to settlement systems and distributed data since 2006, specializing in AI and distributed network research, making him a significant figure in the tech field. And let's check out more on the article by gate.io about this project. Because BasedAI has another cool feature called brains, but let's come to it. Yeah, so to understand what brain is, let's discuss some more stuff. So basically for most AI crypto projects, a few inevitable elements are miners responsible for performing computational tasks, consuming computational resources, validators, they validate the correctness of the work completed by miners and ensure the validity of transactions and computational tasks within the network. And as well, blockchain records the results of computational and validation tasks on a ledger, incentivizing the behavior of different roles through the network's native tokens. And BasedAI adds another layer on top of these three elements with the concept of the brain. So you must have a brain to incorporate miners and validators computational resources, allowing these resources to compute for various AI models and complete tasks. And this brain will launch just next month in April. And let's check another interesting thing about this brain. So you can find on official website or getbase.ai. So how to acquire this brain? One option, and we can discover as well another token called PEPECOIN. So you can stake 100,000 PEPECOIN for 3 months. If you unstake it, the brain is returned to the public pool. Or you can burn PEPECOIN in exchange for brain credits at an increasing rate starting at 1 PEPECOIN for 1 brain credit. If all brains are issued, then PEPECOIN will be burned. So you can check out more on how to get Brain on these websites. So another interesting coin which refers to it is PEPECOIN. And PEPECOIN was actually the original Pepper meme coin, which was started back in 2016. You can check out as well the Twitter. It's pretty big. So already has 40,000 followers, originated in February 2016. And currently, PEPECOIN is building the first decentralized social wrapper for DeFi, creating open source tooling for DeFi's very own decentralized town square. So since to get this Brain, you need to stake PEPECOIN. It as well may be quite bullish for the price of PEPECOIN. So it's up to the 11%, and it rose like crazy since the very beginning, and it's starting rising a lot now. Only this year, since March, it started rising a lot. And as well, PEPECOIN is traded on many major exchanges. So the biggest volume currently on Uniswap. It's listed on BitGet, MXC. Yeah, so basically not bad. And as well, you can make a login into them. There are different options. You can. It looks like Windows 96 or 99. So like old school operation system. And you can check out their website as well. You can log in as well if you're not a Web3 user, or as well you can log in via your wallet or email as Web3 user. I'll log in as guest for now. Yeah, so generally it looks cool, but I think PEPECOIN may be as well not that bad investment. And even there are some predictions that if it rises to the market cap of Pepe meme coin, it will make 5-time returns because it already has quite a big market cap. So I'm more bullish in terms of returns on that get BasedAI. So you can check it out. So let's discuss my other altcoin picks, which is AIT Protocol. It's as well developed by the same company, developer of Bittensor. It's as well not traded on any major exchanges yet. It's super early for it, and since Tower Coin is the coin of Bittensor is on top 34 ranking on the coin market cap, I think they know how to make coins, and they can easily move this coin as well in the top of coin market cap, and investors can get quite a good returns. So basically, what is AI Protocol? Is a Web3 data infrastructure dedicated to data annotations and the training of AI models. The first train-to-earn model, this is bridging the gap between AI and big data industries. AIT pioneers decentralized AI through the first Web3 Bittensor subnet called Einstein IIT, which focuses on mathematics, logic, and data analysis. The AI subnet is to optimize the response accuracy of the entire Bittensor network, and they achieve this by enabling the language model to autonomously write, test, and execute code within unique Python environments. And AIT tokens serves as the platform currency to pay for marketplaces subscription fees, data processing, AI rental, and Launchpad. So you can, it's down now, so it's as well good opportunity to buy the dip. And it hasn't reached its market high of $1.16. So as well, you can easily make 2x if you buy now, I think. They're traded mostly on Uniswap and only on two centralized exchanges, CoinEx and Text Markets, if you prefer centralized exchanges. So no major exchanges listing yet. So this is well pretty good sign. And the current market cap is only $44 million. So the market cap is even less than that gate-based AI token, which I showed you. And this coin is already listed on CoinMarketCap. So CoinMarketCap as well made some kind of verification. So I have been telling that AIT Protocol is the subnet of Bittensor. So for those who are not aware about Bittensor, it's they offer P2P decentralized protocol facilitating machine learning collaboration using technologies like mixtures of experts and distillation. And Bittensor aims to create a collective intelligence network for AI models to learn from each other. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. You can see the chart, how this token grew. It already has 3.7 billion market cap. But maybe it might be just a safe investment. It's a blue chip coin. It's not even yet on Binance or any major exchange. It's just on KuCoin, Gate.io, BingX, 60.com. And it's already on 31st place, which is pretty crazy. So, and as well, Bittensor is not really followed by that many people on CoinMarketCap. It's followed only by 47 people I follow and just 22,000 followers. And it's top 34 coin, which is quite surprising. So the next coin I find interesting is AIOS network. It's a pretty old coin. I think they started like back in 2017. It started in 2021. It dropped a lot. And currently it's rising back. It didn't reach its all-time high yet. And this coin is listed on Coinbase. So I guess Coinbase Ventures invested into it. No other major listings yet, like Binance or Kraken, but there as well on KuCoin, Gate.io, Bybit. The market cap is already 1 billion, but because of the narratives, it's maybe as well not that bad investment. So what is iOS? iOS is redefining content delivery through its decentralized network that integrates AI computing, data storage, and Web3 video streaming. And as well, in the area of DePIN, which is as well quite big this year. And recently they had pretty big news, which didn't really influence much the rise of the token. But iOS network partnered with Alibaba Cloud to boost AI storage and streaming services, and the two companies will establish a DePIN alliance in Southeast Asia. You can check as well. Twitter is as well not super big for a token which exists since 2021. And you can see here, they have their own blockchain, they offer nodes, and they have iOS Decentralized Content Delivery Network, DCDN, which powers AI computation, data storage, and seamless media and video streaming for dApps within the iOS network. So because of these narratives and big partnerships like with Alibaba, I'm as well pretty bullish on this token. So the next is interesting token for me is RSS3, which aims to evolve the traditional RSS standard. And RSS is a decentralized network indexing and structuring open information, making it accessible and valuable for the next Twitter, Google, and OpenAI. And they have dual sublayer decentralized network for open information. And as well, they have pretty big things, like they have partnership with ChatGPT, with OpenAI. So here you can log in chat, open the ChatGPT, and you see this installation as Web3 social activity. So you can view any Web3 users' activities by entering their address and slants and many other name services on the ICC3 network. And basically, it's a perfect tool for somebody to learn more about Web3 this way. Yeah, so it's called Web3 Social Activity GPT. So you can ask ChatGPT about different questions, addresses related to Web3. So it's a great tool for the exploration and searching some information and data by somebody's wallet. Another thing they have is RSS3 social notifier, first social aggregator MetaMask Snap, and it allows for the integration of various on-chain and decentralized social profiles, such as Lens, Percaster, etc., into MetaMask, enabling users to sync their social graphs and receive real-time updates directly through the MetaMask interface. So it sounds like MetaMask is a universal app which integrates as well your decentralized social media. So this is as well pretty cool. You can check out as well the Twitter. It's as well not super big now, but from my followers, it's probably the most followed account. It's followed by 80 people I follow. And as well, the token is not listed yet on big exchanges. Yeah, so it's returning to its all-time high, but I think the narrative is pretty cool. And the market cap is as well not super big, just 254 million. It's not traded on like super big exchanges as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. It's currently traded on OKX as well. It's traded on BitHump, which is the largest Korean exchange. And actually, some people thought that if token is listed on BitHump, the influence to the Korean community is much bigger than from the listing on Binance. So everybody tries to get into tokens which are listed on BitHump. As well, we see it's on Bybit, HTX, and some other small exchanges. So as well, it's good to take a look on it. Their market maker is WF Labs, which have been buying pretty a lot of altcoins in the market. I guess back from around April last year, they have been investing huge amounts. Like they invested $10 million into RSS3 token. And this project had the coverage from pretty long time, like from back 2022. Yeah, so RSS3 aims to be decentralized information processor of Web3. So this team is still there and they, I guess, working hard. So this project is supposed to be checked out.
So hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was useful for you. Let me know on which AI altcoin you are the most bullish on, and maybe you have some other alternative AI picks. So let me know in the comments under this video. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Goodbye.